central Illinois until 2:45 p.m. At 1:37 p.m., severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from near Monticello to near Lake Somerset to near Polo, moving northeast at 50 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expects damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Severe thunderstorms will be near Pecatonica, Lake Somerset, and Durand around 1:45 p.m. Winnebago around 1:50 p.m. Rockford around 1:55 p.m. South Beloit and Rockton around 2 p.m. Loves Park, McChesney Park, Roscoe, Rockford Airport, and Davis Junction around 2:05 p.m. Cherry Valley around 2:10 p.m. Other locations impacted by these severe thunderstorms include New Milford, Lake Somerset, Harrison, Sherland, and Seward. Prepare immediately for damaging winds and deadly cloud-to-ground lightning. Seek shelter inside a well-built structure. Stay away from windows.
Oh, double header, really? Heck yeah. Another one? Dude.
Milwaukee-Sullivan has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for Central Rock County in south-central Wisconsin, Columbia County in south-central Wisconsin, Dane County in south-central Wisconsin, Sauk County in south-central Wisconsin, until 3 p.m. At 1:38 p.m., severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from 11 miles south of Muskota to near Spring Green to near New Glarus to near German Valley, moving northeast at 55 miles per hour. These are destructive storms for Sauk, Columbia, Dane, and Rock counties. Hazard, 80 miles per hour wind gusts and penny-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, flying debris will be dangerous to those caught without shelter. Mobile homes will be heavily damaged. Expect considerable damage to roofs, windows, and vehicles. Extensive tree damage and power outages are likely. Locations impacted include Madison, Janesville, Beloit, Sun Prairie, Fitchburg, Middleton, Stoughton, Waunakee, Baraboo, Verona, Portage, Oregon, Reedsburg, McFarland, Monona, Windsor, Milton, Edgerton, Evansville, and Columbus. People attending Sun Prairie concerts in the park, the Dane County Farmers Market, and Capitol View Farmers Market in Madison should seek safe shelter immediately. Other landmarks included are the following locations: Wisconsin State Capitol, Gibraltar Rock Natural Area County Park, Pine Island State Wildlife Area, Historic Indian Agency House, and the Alliant Energy Portage Power Plant. Remain alert for a possible tornado.
How freaking huge is that warning?
Tornadoes can develop quickly from severe thunderstorms.
Dude.
If you spot a tornado, go at once into the basement or small central room in a sturdy structure. For your protection, move to an interior
that warning's
room on
fatter
the
than I
floor
am.
of a building. This is an extremely dangerous situation with tornado-like wind speeds.
Oh, yeah, they cut it off. What the? That was really weird.